Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be lecturing us about how to create your affiliate links on Impact. As we all know, Impact Radius is one of the platforms that you make good money as an affiliate marketer. Okay, forget this amount here, just ignore it, just focus on this tutorial, right? Very soon, I believe you're going to see the result of what I'm teaching us. Yeah, you will see the results here. Okay, because I just started promoting products on this Impact. I've not been active on it, so pardon me for that. But just ignore this and focus on the tutorials, right? So I'm going to be showing us how you're going to be adding your links, how to get your links and to promote it. Okay. So right now we'll come to brands, right? And you'll see find brands, my brands, and these are the platforms that you have been approved on, right? That you can easily promote their products, right? So now let me click on this. As you can see, it says paid subscription. These are the earnings, and to create your link, you can just click on create your link. Okay, and if you want to put something here for the landing page, you can add. Just create the link to generate a link for you, as you can see down here. And for you to get the advance, if you want to track the particular link here promoting, you can as well name your link here to track and the particular links you're promoting. You can customize your name on it, or just figure out a name to put so that you can track it at the end of the day. I just showed you how to create this link. Then this asset is the in video has already given us what you promote, right? So you come to assets, and another way you can get this is just try to get some pictures here, right? Just try to get some pictures to promote your links and to get your money. When anybody clicks on the link, you get your commission, right? So this is the image, right? Some of these products or some of these brands, they have already videos that you can use to promote. This doesn't have a video. Email, this doesn't have. Some have a coupon, it doesn't have. So let's click on more. Sponsor text, it doesn't have. So the only thing in video has is just the images for you to promote their products. Okay, so tech lovers, if you click on any of these images, right, let's click on this and see. You can see get ads code, you can get tracking link, and you view your performance there. So let's see. Some have assets code, and you can use this HTML. You can copy this and use it on your website if you want to post on your blog. And so this is just optional landing page, and you use this tracking link. You can as well copy this tracking link also and promote this particular brand, which is in video, right? So you can also view your performance here, then get your link here. Another way that you can get your brand is when you come to this area where there is newsletter, right? You scroll up all the brands you applied for and they are all approved. You're going to see everything here. So let's click on view all. So this is all the link. Create and share links, right? So as you can see, these are all the brands I'm working with that I sent my proposal and it was approved. Okay, so you will find all your approved brands. You find it here. Then you click on in video. Since we're working with in video, and you create the link, generate, and for us to be sure that this link is actually working, yeah, we would copy and we'll come to a new page to check it, right? So that you'll be sure that the link is working. Enter. As you can see, it's actually working. So you can actually use that link to start promoting the brand. If you want to share the link out, you can share on your Facebook and X. Then if we all, as you can see, it's been listed here, and you can also get it from here. You can click on in video, landing page link, vanity link. So I believe this is our affiliate link. So you copy this, right, and you start to promote it. So let's come to content. If you come to content, you will get all the deals, the assets, the product catalog of the particular brand, and if they have a promo code for you, you get it. Vanity links, which we just did right now, then deals, resources, add resources, right? So as I've done this, I've spoken about this before. So these are the images. I'm not going to repeat that. So these short tutorials on how to create your links with impact.com. Impact.com is a very, very good site, as I said, and you don't want to miss all this juicy money by promoting it. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to promote this on Pinterest, so that you can get the traffic you're looking for to make your quick sales without advertisement or doing any paid ad. Okay, so before I go, you can choose any niche like this. We have the accessories, accommodation, apparel, etc. I already did a video on that. You can choose a niche on baby and kids own, baby essentials, bag and accessories, and you get the best of this. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and kindly leave a nice comment down there. Let me know if you're going to be using Impact to start a new site also in 2025. Okay, drop your question down there, and bye for now. Cheers.